Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8 English version Math, Measurement Chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 14. The length of a rectangle is 48 meters and its breadth is 32 meters, 80 centimeter. Around outside there is a road of breadth 3 meters. What is the area of the road? So we have to find the area of the road that surrounds a rectangle. Here is a rectangle. A rectangle means length is longer than breadth. Each angle is 90 degree. Here is the road around the rectangle. Should be straight. The length is 48 meters and breadth is 32 meters 80 centimeter. Length is 48. This is 48 meter and this is 32 meter and 80 centimeter. This is breadth and this is length. Now we have to find the area of the road around this rectangle. This is the rectangle. And this is the road. And this is rectangle including road. If we subtract or deduct the area of the rectangle from the bigger rectangle, what we get? We get the area of the road. So area of the road equals to area of the rectangle including road minus area of the rectangle. I hope you understand this. Just deduct the area of the rectangle. Rectangle is the inner one. This is rectangle. This is rectangle. The inner one. And the outer one is rectangle including road. That includes road. Now we have to find the area of the rectangle and area of the rectangle including road. Let us find the area of the rectangle first because we know the length and the breadth. Length of rectangle equals to 48 meter. We don't need to do anything because it is in meter. But breadth equals to 32 meter 80 centimeter. Here we have to do something because this is 2 unit. One is meter, another one is centimeter. And we know the formula of measurement: milli, centi, deci, mi, deca, hectokilo. Now in case of length it is meter, in case of weight it is gram, in case of liquid this is liter. So here we are measuring the length, so it is meter. So millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter. We have to change 80 centimeter, we have to convert it to meter. If we don't convert it to meter, we cannot calculate the area. So it has to be same unit. Here the length is in meter, we have to make the breadth also in meter. So this is 80 centimeter. Centimeter, where is centimeter here? This is centimeter, so 80. So if you go up, you have to divide each time by 10. For example, 80 centimeter. To make it decimeter, divided by 10, it will be 8 decimeter. To make it meter, again divide by 10, so it is 0.8 meter. So 80 centimeter means 0.8 meter. So equals to, breadth equals to 32 plus 0.8 meter means 32.8 meter. Now we got rectangles length and breadth. Can we find the area? Yes. So area of rectangle equals to, length is 48 and breadth is 32.8 and meter into meter is square meter, equals to, if we multiply 48 by 32.8, what we get? 1574.4 square meter. Now we need to find the rectangle of the bigger rectangle, that is a rectangle including road. But before that we need to find the length and breadth of that rectangle. What is the length of the outer rectangle? Length of we will not say outer rectangle, we will say rectangle including road. So what is the length of rectangle including road? The length is the 48 meter plus 3 on right side and 3 on left side, because they said the breadth of the road is 3 meter. So here is 3 meter and left side 3 meter. 3 and 3 6, 48 plus 6. Road equals to 48 plus 3 plus 3. 3 on the right, 3 on the left. Meter equals to 54 meter. What is the breadth? Breadth of rectangle including road equals to 32. Add another 3 here. Add another 3 here. The breadth of the road all around is 3 meter. Everywhere the breadth is 3 meter. So we can add the breadth. So the breadth of the rectangle including road is 32.8 plus 3 meter equals to 38.8 meter. Now we got the length of rectangle including road and breadth of rectangle including road. Can we find the area area of rectangle including road equals to length into breadth 54 into 38.8 square meter. Meter into meter means square meter. What is the result? 2095.2. Result is 2095.2 square meter. Now we got the area of both rectangles. If we deduct the area of the rectangle from the area of the rectangle including road, therefore the area of the road equals to 2095.2 minus what was the area of the rectangle? 1574.4. 1574.4. The unit should be square meter. Equals to how much we get? 520.8 square meter. 520.8 square meter. And that is the answer. 520.8 square meter. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.